Does your scalp struggle with flaking? Many people experience this, and it's not because their scalp is dirty. Sensitive scalps can easily become irritated, leading to that unwanted flakiness. If you're someone dealing with this, our moisturizing shampoo was crafted for you. With the power of African black soap for deep cleansing, aloe vera to help soothe and heal, and tea tree to relieve itchiness and promote healthy hair growth, this is an all-in-one solution for maintaining a flake-free and healthy scalp. Let's redefine scalp care together. Discover the relief you deserve with MabuTribe's Moisturising Shampoo and more. We are here as MabuTribe to help you grow and enjoy your natural crown.